You know what it is, it's that guy, Knotlocks. I got another archived piece of footage for you. Before we start that, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, the Knot Nation shop. Grab some merch for yourself. Swim caps, beanies, crochet hooks available. Why do people have dreadlocks? And the best thing I can do with this question is ask people it. So when I was in Jamaica, the last time I was there in 2019, I ended up visiting my grandmother in her nursing home, and the gardener that works there had a massive tam with some massive locks underneath it. Unfortunately, we don't get to see the locks, but I did ask him about his beliefs in the dreadlock culture, why he wore locks himself. So stay tuned and take a peek at this video and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below on why you have dreadlocks. So without further ado, let's go. Wicked. I want to ask you, what does dreadlocks mean to you?
We've got different Jamaican, a lot of people have a different view, right, you know? But myself now, I love it too, at a natural human form, you know?
Yeah.
Real thing,
Okay.
no artificial
No.
thing. So, and it will be the creation. More link up with the creator.
Yeah.
So that's my foundation. Knowing that we look like the creator. When I want more look on that. I see that that's all of the real thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Respect. And I mean, it's amazing to see people with such dedication. I got into dreadlocks specifically to wear tams like the size that this man's got on his head. And it's just so fascinating. I wish I'd asked him to take his locks down. I did think about it during the interview, but I knew the man was at work and I know how much of a hassle it can be to take him down and put him back up again, so I just let him be in that state. I love the look of it. And that tam that he's wearing is actually pretty rare. I've never even seen that tam in that color or that size or that shape before. So it's very interesting. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Stay happy, stay natty. Peace out, one love, everybody. I'm gone.